Hello guys, today I'm going to show you why Reactjs Context. So right here I'm going to jump inside my project, my React project. As you can see, this is my React project, and I want to show you how we can use React Context. So first of all, I want to create a provider for that. So let's just say YouTube provider to JS. Okay, then right here I'm going to import React functional component. Just created a React functional component, as you can see. So first we need to create context for that. Let's just say this is YouTube context file. Okay, react dot create context, just like this. Okay, then here in return, then this YouTube provider takes property component property children, right? Then we return YouTube context dot provider. Okay, then children inside it, just like this. And so we want the values of this provider to be accessible in this context, so we can create const values. It's just an object, right? Then we pass the values inside this value. Okay, so in case you can have functions and values of variables inside this provider, and those values can be accessible throughout the whole project, and I'm going to show you how are we going to use them. So first of all, let me show you this website. As you can see, this is the website. Okay, so I want to when I click this button, I want to navigate to a different page. So let me jump back to this React context. So I'm going to import some few packages. So first of all, the first package I'm going to import is navigate, React navigate. So we say const navigate use navigate flag from React router DOM. Okay, then I want to create an arrow function which can handle that. So let's just say click and change route. Then I will just navigate to a different page. Let's just say about page. Okay, then this function I'm going to pass it into our object values, just like this. Then for these values to be accessible, we want to wrap the whole app with the YouTube provider. So I'm going to go to this file, navigate to this file app.js, then under beneath our router I'm going to use YouTube provider, just like this. Okay, so I want to, when I click this read more, I want to navigate to about page. Then this is a component, maybe it's inside banner. So to get the value from the context we just created, okay, we import the value, and the value was click and change route, right? Then I'll navigate back to our banner.js, then I'll paste this, and where are we going to get it from our use context, React use context, so like this, get context. Then what's the name of our context? It was YouTube, not that, what was the name of the context? YouTube context. Okay, YouTube, it was YouTube context, and we need to import it here. Import YouTube context, okay, from context. Okay, we didn't export this. Okay guys, don't forget to export our YouTube context so that it can be accessible throughout the whole project. Okay, then I'll navigate back to this YouTube context. Okay, then let's import YouTube context, just like this, so we can get this. We can get this value from our provider, right? Then inside this I just create an on click and pass our change route, so like this. So when you reload this page, and I'm going to click this read more, as you can see I'm going to change the route. As you can see I'm this route, so I'm going to click read more, and as you can see I have been redirected to this about. So as you can see, the use context is fast way to get values, child properties from the whole project. As you can see, I was able to get the value from our YouTube provider through the use context, React use context, which is a better way to use React hooks. As you can see guys, this is what it takes to use to create a simple context and to get the values from the provider throughout the whole project. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye, thanks, take care.